Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Goal Info for you. And as per commitment of last video about the suggested questions of intermediate, here comes the psychology FA part 2 suggested questions for preparation for those people who are studying psychology in English. And accordingly, please prepare, and I hope you will get the maximum out of it. Part 1 will coming from the developmental psychology chapter, and you have to attempt 4 questions out of given 6 questions for the 18 marks. The questions are: what are the aims to study developmental psychology? Describe the stages of physical development. What is meant by cognitive development? Describe sensory motor stage in Piaget's theory. Differentiate between developments, growth, and maturation. What is meant by phylogenetic? Describe Kohlberg's theory of moral development. Define between development, growth, and maturation. Define and differentiate between development, growth, and maturation. How many types of developmental processes are? What is meant by change or variation? How many styles of upbringing of children? Describe moral development theory. Now here comes the part 2 short questions. You have to attempt 8 for the 16 marks, and the total question 3 will be whole from these, and it will be added 20 questions in it as a suggestion. Define health according to WHO standard. What is meant by mental health? According to Imam Ghazali, how many types of knowledge? Describe treatment method given by Ashraf Ali Thanvi. Define and differentiate normal and abnormal behavior. Describe mythological point of view of mental health. What is meant by anorexia nervosa? Describe agoraphobia. Elaborate Imam Ghazali's concept of personality. Write the names of anxiety disorders. Explain post-traumatic stress disorder. Define anxiety. Elaborate importance of exercise. Define what is phobia. Define balanced diet. What are the negative symptoms of schizophrenia? What are the symptoms of catatonic schizophrenia? Describe treatment by book method. What are the positive symptoms of schizophrenia? Highlight biography of Imam Ghazali. Here comes part 3 short questions from social psychology chapters. You have to attempt 6 questions for the 12 marks from this region, and it will be 9 given as a question 4. Define social psychology. Describe importance of mass media and socialization. Define attitude. Give 2 characteristics of attitude. What is meant by instrumental violence? What is meant by drugs? Describe Bogaard's rating scale. Describe antisocial behavior. Describe Thurston's rating scale. And the last question, describe importance of peer group. Part 4, counseling and guidance chapter. You have to attempt 4 questions out of 6 given for the 8 marks, and this question will be added in question 2 along with question 1. Define and differentiate or aims of counseling and guidance. Describe characteristics of Rogerian counseling process. Define aid. What is meant by transference? Differentiate and describe principles of aid, ego, superego. Define and differentiate between counselor and counselee. Describe Albert Ellis counseling model. Describe rational behavior counseling technique. Now here comes a big portion. Essay type of every question of 8 marks, and you will have to attempt 3 out of given 5. And here is 8 questions. You have to prepare all for the attaining or achieving 24 marks. Describe in detail Piaget's cognitive development concept. Elaborate in detail concept of mental health. Write a note on schizophrenia. Describe Muslims' method of healing for mental disturbed. Explain attitude formation process. Describe attitude measurement rating scales in detail. Describe person-centered counseling technique. And last question would be write a note on rational behavior counseling technique. It's total now. You have to prepare all these for the better preparation, for the better presentation, and for the 100% scoring. And this is only for English medium students who are studying psychology in English. And again repeating, this is according to ALP course given by all boards in Punjab and Azad Kashmir includes. Thank you very much. Please subscribe our channel Goal Info for you for more psychology updates, contents and other videos.